Coming up on Kylee Makes It.
Pipe cleaners? Pom-poms?
We use our imagination and take a trip to space, look at planets, and make some planets of our own with cute little faces.
Hi, I'm Kylee.
And I'm Dax.
And today we're playing space.
We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. You may be feeling low, but we'll make our way back home, and I know we'll make it. 'Cause Kylee makes it.
Welcome to the Spaceship Studio. I'm very excited to imagine the planets today and make them together. Let's start by pretending right now that this studio is a rocket ship. Ready? Count down with me. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Look all around. Can you use your imagination to pretend that you're in space with me? It's so dark everywhere except for there's bright stars and I can see planets and whoa. Do you see the sun over there? It's the center of the whole solar system. It's huge. And it's the thing that everything else is orbiting around. Wow. I'm gonna see if I can reach out the window of my spaceship and get the supplies that we need to make our first solar system thing, the sun. Ready? Reach with me. Oh, pipe cleaners? Pom-poms? Let's do it. The first thing I'm gonna do is gather up all my pipe cleaners in my hand. Then, since the sun is very big, I'm gonna smash these together and wrap my pipe cleaners all the way around. Once they're all the way around, I'm gonna twist them together, kind of like a belt around the pom-poms. Pipe cleaners are really fuzzy on the outside, but they have wire inside, and that helps them bend and hold their shape so that we can attach them even without any glue. Once this is attached, we're gonna spread these pipe cleaners out over the whole pom-pom. Now, just take the tails of the other pipe cleaners and wind them around the pom-pom until it's mostly covered. You can wrap the ends underneath the pieces that are already secure. Just give them a little tuck and they'll stay right where you put them. The sun! Awesome. We made the sun. Do you know what's next? Let's look around. Oh, I see it. The first planet away from the sun. Do you know what it's called? It's a gray planet. The smallest one, Mercury. Let's make it. For Mercury, I'm using black, white, and silver. You could use gray or whatever colors you want. There's Mercury. I wonder what planet is next. Whoa! Oh, do you see it? It's right behind you. Venus, the brightest planet. Since Venus is the brightest planet, we're gonna use bright colors. I have gold and white and yellow, and I'm using a yellow pom-pom. There's Venus, so bright. Oh, it hurts my eyes. Next up, I know exactly which planet it is. You probably should too, because it's the planet that we're on, Earth. There it is over there. It's blue and green and beautiful. Earth has water and land on it, so some parts are going to be green and some parts are going to be blue. I'm gonna twist 2 green pipe cleaners into a pattern, like that. Then I'm gonna take that and wrap up my earth with it. Earth! I wonder which planet is next. Oh, I see it out that window. It's bright red. Mars. Mars is the red planet, so I'm gonna use red pipe cleaners and a pink pom-pom because that's as close as I have. Mars. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. I wonder what's next. Do you see that? Jupiter. It's gotta be, because it's huge and there's a big red spot on it. Because Jupiter's so big, I'm gonna use a lot of pipe cleaners to cover it. Take your red pipe cleaner and just make a little circle with it and put it right on the surface of Jupiter. And there's your red spot. I am so excited to see the next planet in our imagination because I love it. It might be my favorite one because it has, oh, wow. It has all those rings. Saturn. The rings of Saturn are made up of ice and dust, but our rings are going to be made out of, you guessed it, pipe cleaners. Great. Saturn. Brr. It's getting cold in here. We're getting far away from the sun, so the planets and the solar system are getting colder. And we're about to see, yep, there it is, the coldest planet, Uranus. Uranus has a ring around it just like Saturn, except Uranus's rings are smaller. And, oh, Uranus is spinning on its side. We'll have to think about that when we make our planet. Uranus is a light blue planet. Then I'm gonna make another ring just like that. This is a long trip and we've gone very far away from the sun. In fact, we are to the last major planet of the solar system. Do you see it? Neptune. There it is. A cold, dark blue ice giant. Let's make it. Neptune. Our planets are done and I think they look awesome. How about you? There's lots of things that you can do to these planets now so that you can make really fun games to play with them. You could play, how many planets can you throw in the jar? You could play, how many rings can we get around Saturn? You also could attach a little bit of Velcro to the bottom of each planet, and I'll show you how to make an orbit puzzle out of the planets. Check it out. First, I used hot glue to attach one side of the Velcro to the bottom of each planet and the sun. Then I took the other side of the Velcro and attached it to my felt. I'm gonna use glow-in-the-dark puffy paint to paint on the orbits and the numbers of the planets. We put the sun in the center. Next is Mercury. Number 2 is Venus. Third planet, Earth. Fourth, Mars. Fifth, the biggest planet, Jupiter. Next, the planet with massive rings, Saturn. Next up, a planet that has rings and spins on its side and it's very cold, Uranus. And last but not least of the major planets, Neptune. We put all the pieces on our puzzle. And the best thing about this puzzle is because of the Velcro, when you're all done playing with it, you can just roll it up. Ta-da! Want to play with it again? Unroll. You're ready to go. Hey, Uranus. What's up, Saturn? Your rings look good today. Yours too. Hey, I just wanted to tell you quick that there's now Kylee Makes It merch. What? I love Kylee Makes It. I'd love to have a backpack or a sweatshirt or even a t-shirt or a pouch. I know. Who doesn't need a reminder that we're gonna make it? Yeah, in life and in art. Cool. There's also merch with Hash Brown the dog. That's my favorite. Visit KylieMakesMerch.com to check out the Kylee Makes It shop. I loved making this with you today. I loved imagining we were in space. And most of all, I just loved being with you. I'll see you next time. I can't wait. Until then, if you want to find out more about Kylee Makes It, go to KylieMakesIt.com, follow me on Instagram or Facebook, ask a grown-up first, and I will see you soon. Bye.